Master your projects and boost your team's productivity with this essential ClickUp tutorial. Let's dive into ClickUp, the all-in-one platform designed to revolutionize how you manage projects first. We'll tackle projects, setup, navigate to the new button in the sidebar to create a new workspace, space, folder, or list, depending on your organizational needs for optimal structure. I recommend creating a space for each major initiative, then folders for different project phases, and lists for granular tasks. Now, let's create your first task. Click the plus task button within your chosen list. Give your task a clear, actionable title, assign it to the relevant team member, and set a realistic due date. Don't forget to add a detailed description with all necessary context, attachments, and subtasks to break down larger efforts. Subtasks are a game changer for detailed planning. Break down complex tasks into manageable steps and assign them individually, keeping everyone accountable. Visualizing your workflow is key. ClickUp's board view is perfect for this. Simply drag and drop tasks between columns to reflect their current status. You can customize these columns to match your specific project stages. Collaboration is seamless in ClickUp. Use the comments section on each task to communicate with your team, ask questions, and provide updates. You can even mention team members to get their attention directly. Let's talk automation. ClickUp can handle repetitive tasks for you. Go to your space or folder settings and explore the automations. For example, you can set up a rule to automatically assign a task to someone when its status changes to in progress. Track your progress and celebrate victories with ClickUp goals. Define your project objectives and associate tasks or lists with them to monitor your advancement towards your targets. This keeps your team focused and motivated. With features like calendar view for scheduling, docs for knowledge sharing, and Gantt charts for timeline visualization, ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of tools to manage every facet of your projects. Implement these best practices today and transform your project management approach.